We are from Bangladesh. You probably heard of
Thank
the
you
name.
so much. You're doing great in cricket. We know that. We love you so much.
Bangladesh.
We love
Best country.
Bangladesh, best country ever.
Best country ever.
Best country ever.
Thank you very much. It's a pleasure. Thank you. Thank you guys. বুঝতেই পারছেন বাংলাদেশ নামটা বলে আলাদা একটা খাতিরও পাওয়া যাচ্ছে আজকাল আর্জেন্টিনার সমর্থকদের কাছ থেকে, এটাই তো দারুণ। ওই জায়গায় আরো
is for Bangladesh too. Also for support us.
Thank you, Bangladesh, for supporting us from day one. Thank you. This cup is also for you. You can celebrate with us, Bangladesh.
This trophy is for Bangladesh also. Vamos!
Bangladesh, Bangladesh, Bangladesh.
This trophy is also for Bangladesh, okay?
Thank you, people of Bangladesh. We really appreciate your support. This cup is for you too. Thank you very much. We love you. We love you. From Bangladesh. Bangladesh, 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 Bangladesh. এভাবেই আসলে যখন তারা আসলে শুনলেন বাংলাদেশের নাম, আমাকে কিন্তু আরো আপন করে নিলেন। এই পুরো আপনটাই এইভাবেই মানুষের আর্জেন্টাইন মানুষের আপন করে নেওয়াটাই কিন্তু পেয়েছি পুরো এই বিশ্বকাপ জুড়ে।
I really think that Bangladesh one day, inshallah, they will be in the World Cup. All Argentina will be there supporting you guys because you have been very, very, very honest with us throughout the whole history.